Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. This video is about a little weekend break that I took to Cork. So I caught the bus from Dublin to Cork, and that's my view from where I stayed, and that's me going in the door. But I just wanted to show you because it was a nice little arty weekend, a weekend of like walking around the city, exploring, and here it's just walking around, looking around the university grounds in Cork and walking around the city. There I am in the market, and it's just nice sometimes to get those little breaks, just to do some exploring. It's not always possible to get to take those long adventures, but we take the adventures we can when we get them. And sometimes it's nice to see things in your own country rather than always looking so far away in exotic, beautiful places. Although I wouldn't mind a break to one of those either. So this is a cathedral in Cork, and eventually I got to stop and go for tea. There we are with my Barry's tea. It's kind of an Irish tea, so lots of people in Ireland like that tea a lot. Then I went to the Crawford Gallery, and I saw lots of wonderful art, modern art and old art, and all kinds of sculptures and all kinds of wonderful art to stimulate my creativity and hopefully yours too by watching the video. They also had a wonderful Harry Clark exhibition, which is always a pleasure to see. Harry Clark is one of my favourite Irish artists. His illustrations are very beautiful and inspiring, and it's really a joy to see them. So many of them, there before my eyes, the little drawings and stuff. They really are beautiful. And yeah, more walking around the city. I love the way Cork is kind of like hilly, and all the houses look like they're on top of each other, so I do like those kind of views. This is another art gallery in Cork, but I will leave a link below of where it is because I have forgotten the name. But that is the trip. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now, and happy being creative. Bye bye.